You're watching Masters in Trading Live with Jonathan Rose.
Hey everybody, it's Jonathan Rose and welcome to Masters in Trading Live. At Masters in Trading Live, I get on here every day the market's open, share my thoughts, we go over the market, and once in a while, we'll share our trade of the day. Excuse me, I was traveling last week. We still got our Masters in Trading Live to you, but because I wasn't really live last week, I didn't have the YouTube comments up. I got the comments up today, so Harry, Dale, Giuseppe, Jeff, Brad, Marty, guys, thanks so much for joining live. If you guys have any questions as I'm going, I have the questions. I have the chat up real time, so happy to answer any questions that you have. Whenever we do these Masters in Trading Live, we always have 3 or 4 talking points. Today, we're going to talk about 1, vertical AI agents. What are they? Are you familiar with them? I had to learn. We're going to go over vertical AI agents. Vertical AI agents, 10 times bigger than SaaS. I got 5 explosive stocks. I got 5 stocks that are really focusing on this vertical AI industry. So I want to share those. And then finally, we got some questions on a different topic, but a topic that is near and dear to my heart. We're going to talk about bond futures. With all that being said, George, good morning. Thanks for joining. Let's go head over to the slide deck and let me share what I got. Okay, awesome video. Vertical AI agents could be 10 times bigger than SaaS. So software as a service, SaaS. What are vertical AI agents? So if you go on YouTube, let me see if I can just share this link. I'm on a different computer. So if you go on YouTube and you search Y Combinator, vertical AI agents could be 10 times bigger than SaaS, you'll get this video. I watched it yesterday. I loved it, guys. I found it really, really informative. And to give a little summary, vertical AI agents, think of them rather than like a ChatGPT that's good at a little bit of everything. You're going to see a vertical AI agent that's going to be optimized for radiologist. That's going to be optimized for whatever other sector. So that's what this is about. It's a excellent video. It's about 45 minutes. And after that, I searched the names that are leading in vertical AI integration. And here's what we got. Whenever we're looking at a new industry, you want confirmation that the market agrees. So here are our names. Obviously, we know NVIDIA has taken over the world, right? NVIDIA going back to 2022, obviously very strong. The next name is going to be Broadcom. Broadcom is the newest entry into the $1 trillion market cap. But then we're going to get into smaller companies. And that is, I think, what interests us most. And some of those smaller companies will be Entergy Corp, ticker ETR. Going back to 2022, you can see offered, but when AI gets into the lexicon, it really starts making a move. So we have Entergy, Synopsys, Snaps, SNPS, which is going to be down here. And then also AI or C3 AI. Now, it's December 16th, 2024. It's not the time to be buying stock. Even though the market is en fuego, we want to wait. Right now, it's a good time to plan for 2025 and beyond. But forget NVIDIA, Broadcom, because they're gone. But Entergy, Synopsys, and C3.ai are a phenomenal way to play the integrated vertical AI. So let's get into these names a little bit. And I did a little bit of analysis on the smaller names. I didn't do an analysis on NVIDIA or on Broadcom because those are trillion-dollar companies. But Entergy, they just had a major partnership with Meta. Meta's decision to partner with Entergy underscores the company's ability to meet the stringent energy and sustainability requirements of tech giants. So Entergy just had a major, I think it was like $10 billion for Facebook, like a reoccurring contract. Strong focus on renewable energy. Entergy's investments in renewable energy, such as solar and wind, align with Meta's commitment to sustainability, ability to support energy-intensive operations, competitive edge and clean energy commitments, and then economic and regional strength. But what puts this on our radar? Their massive deal with Meta. Synopsys develops AI tools for specialized processing industries. Again, we are looking for these vertical AI agents, and they're going to be going after individual industries. It's not going to be ChatGPT that's going to be a master of everything. We are going to see Synopsys develop and go after specific industries, medical imaging, natural language processing, offering tailored AI solutions to meet specific goals. So all last week, I was in a conference. We talked a lot about AI, and me coming out of that, I wanted to learn about vertical AIs. And as I started researching them, it's not surprising that Y Combinator comes out with an article saying that this sector could be 10 times bigger than software as a service. AI is going to change every single company, just like your personal workflow. Let me get a show of hands, guys. Are you using AI for your everyday workflow? Has AI improved whether you're working, you're writing, your organization? Because if it hasn't, you're not using AI enough. You need to use AI in different components of your life because what it does, it just simplifies things for you. Okay? John says he uses it on occasion. Yes and yes. By the way, when I was looking for a Mother's Day gift for my wife, I put a whole bunch of things into ChatGPT. It gave me a great call. He said, JR, buy her a Roomba. I said, wow, what's a Roomba? I knew what a Roomba was. I didn't really know what a Roomba was, but what a great idea. My wife thought I came up with such a great present, but it was really AI, but that's okay. I haven't told her yet, and I don't think she's going to find out because she doesn't watch MIT Live. Exactly, as John says, as long as Carrie's happy. My wife is named Carrie, and that is correct. As we know, happy wife, happy life, right? Okay, I want to talk about bond futures. Not something I talk about often, but it's a very, very cool trade, and bonds have just been really, really volatile lately, so I just think it's a fun thing to talk about, and I like exposing just people to different styles of trade. And this style of trade, if I can get a pen to work, which I can't, this style of trade is all about duration. So we have 10 years, a 10-year bond from the US government. What about an 18-year bond from the US government or a 30-year bond from the US government? And this chart is just showing the relationship between these different instruments. And so the green line is this. The blue line, let me see if I can change my color again. Cyan is going to be this. Okay, so here is the difference between 10-year and 18. And down here is the difference between 18 and 30. See, something really cool is the white line, which they don't have white on here, but we'll use magenta. Okay, let's pretend this is magenta. The magenta line, which is the white line, is 10s all the way out to 30s. So it's like putting a puzzle together, because 10-year future is ZN, 18-year future is ZB, 30 years is UB. Now, this is really what the duration is. The ZB is a 30-year future contract, but it's really 18 years of duration. ZN, ZB is up here. ZB, UB is down here. And again, blue plus green equals that. It's really freaking cool. It's a very, very just fun trade, cool trade, especially when the Fed is moving rates like they are doing. Once in a while, I like to jump on and share something a little bit different, but definitely those 5 stocks to watch: C3.ai, Synopsys, Entergy, now obviously NVIDIA and Broadcom, but the other 3, C3.ai, Synopsys, and Entergy, I am extremely bullish and I am following closely, and I want to learn more about those names whenever I have an opportunity. Now, the next piece of this video, we have our free portion, and then I jump off and we have our members that are part of our All Access community. I'm going to jump on and talk to the All Access community right now. For everybody else, I'm going to be on here live tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern time. Come a little bit early. Say good morning. Have a great day, guys. Thanks so much for watching.